Welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie and I've been sharing tips and how to budget, how to start your financial success. So if you have not seen those videos, then please take a look at that. I will leave the links down below so that you can be updated on that. Today's video, I'm gonna share my way of how I go grocery shopping. So this is just gonna be a very quick video. And I got the inspiration from Jordan Page. I definitely recommend you watching her video. She really goes into depth on this, but I just wanted to share that I have actually been doing this and we have realized how much money we have been wasting on groceries and on other things. She uses a one envelope system, and that's what we've been doing. We have a budget for grocery and for other every month, and other could be, you know, for me it's just everything else. So if we want to go out to eat one day, it could be something else for you. You can fill in what the other is. And now I know finances are a little personal, but this is just a standard number that she recommends. You look at the family size. You have to focus on each person. So if you're in a family of two, which is our family, it's only my husband and I, she says that you have to have $100 per person in your household, starting at $300. At first I'm like, $300 in a month? Really? Can we do this? Yes, we can do this. It is absolutely amazing. It's a wonderful tip. Thank you so much for sharing that, Jordan. I don't know if she would ever see my videos, but just in case, thank you. You have really changed mine and my husband's way of thinking when it comes to spending our money. So, just so you could see, this is just like a regular standard envelope that I got from my mortgage. I just separated it into two categories. I hope you could see this, but grocery and then other. And now I have my other set to 25 for now because we are trying to cut back on a few things, so that's why it's that amount. But I have broken it down by the week. So it's $300 for groceries for the month, but if you break it down, it's $75 each week. I separated into the week category, or week section. So if you have $75 that I'm gonna spend from the 1st of July to the 6th of July, you're just focusing on 6 days. $75 can take you through to those 6 days. You're just shopping for the few people that you have in your household. That's what we have been doing. And just so you could see, I have it, I have to get a new wallet, but it's in my wallet. I have it where it could fit in here, and I literally just carry this with me everywhere I go. You will just keep this in your wallet like so. Mine has been used, so it's a little messy, but just so you can see, I use this. So this is for June, and I'm telling you, this is like all torn up. I've scribbled on this everywhere. It's just a mess. But what's really nice is that I just put all of my receipts in here, and I just carry the one envelope, and I use cash. I like the idea of using cash rather than your card, because when you use your card, you don't realize the amount of money that is being withdrawn from your account. It's so easy to just swipe and swipe and swipe away your money. But when you have the cash, it's so much harder for you to give that up. I hope that makes sense. But when you actually are letting go of that money, you're less likely to spend it because you're seeing it leave your hands. And it's just, I don't know, you're less likely to spend it. This is the system that we have been using, and we have saved a whole bunch in groceries. Now coming July, this is gonna be a fresh envelope that I'm gonna stick my $75 each week in here. I'm just gonna carry it with me in my wallet. I definitely recommend using the one envelope. It really does work. As a person who felt that she was not in control of her money, I'm speaking about myself in the third person, but I never felt like I had control of where my money was going. And now having this system in place, I feel like I know where every penny is going of my money, and writing out my budget. This is like, blows your mind. Seriously. I mean, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to share this tip with you on the system that I am using currently, and I don't think that I'm ever gonna use any other system. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope you found this informative. If you did like it, please give me a thumbs up so that I know that this is something that you are interested in, and I will share more videos and more tips on how to organize your finances. Yeah, that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let me know if you will try this or have tried it. I will love to hear that. So thank you all again so much for watching, and I will catch you on my next video. Bye guys.